Here to talk through this Minesweeper puzzle by Grant Fikes. It's themed around a three-ring circus, and you can see a ring of threes in the middle. So this puzzle has a basic property that is seen in Minesweepers with adjacent clues. So for instance, we see shared spaces and we see the extra spaces because of that. So this 2 and 4, for instance, they share these 4 cells and they can have at most 2 mines. So the 4 needs 2 more mines and they have to go here. That also means that the shared space has to have 2 mines. So now these two get crossed out as well. This one gets satisfied. These ones are also satisfied. And just to look at this shared space logic again, now you need 3 mines here. So you'll have one here for the 4. So where this helps is if we start in the top left, so there's a 2 clue here. That means there has to be at least 1 mine here. Why that's important is we look at the shared space between this 2 and 3 again. And since we know there's 1 mine over here, at least, so at most 1 mine can be shared between them. That means the 3 needs 2 extra mines. Those come here, and that ends up proving everything we said as true. So you need 1 mine here, one goes here. These ones are satisfied. Now this 3 again, this 3 and 2, the shared space has 2 mines. The 3 needs one extra, and it comes here. That also means the 2 cannot have any extras. So for this one, we get a mine here, and that satisfies this one. And now we can satisfy this 2, and this 3 is also done. And now we look at this 3, it has only 3 spaces, and this 3 is also done with that. This 1 is done, and this 1 can only be satisfied with a mine over here. Now again, these 2 3s, they share only 1 mine, so you need 2 for the bottom 3 as well, and that finishes this 2. And now these 2 3s again, you have 1 mine here, shared space has 2 mines, and you'll have a mine here. That satisfies both of these 3s, so we can cross out a bunch of cells around them. And now this 3 can only have 2 mines over here. And now the 4 also gets done because you can only have 2 mines in the remaining cells. This 3 over here now can only be satisfied by placing these 3 mines. And that also means that this cell is crossed out because we had said that only 1 mine can be here because of these 2 4s. Now this 2 can only be satisfied by 2 mines here, and this 4, both these 4s are done. Now because again these 2 3s, they can share just 1 mine because of the bottom 3, so the top 3 needs a mine over here, and also this 2 needs a mine over here to finish it off. That finishes off both these 3s, so we get crosses here, here, here. And now it's just a case of finishing off. So all of these 3s get finished, both these 3s get finished by this 1 mine. That gives us a cross here, and we can complete the puzzle by putting a mine there. So what we saw is actually the solve path itself was also a ring, and there was a bigger ring and there's a smaller ring with the 3s. So I guess that's also a 3-ring circus in a way. And generally we saw this, it's known in Minesweeper for experience solvers, but something that's pretty interesting to look at, which is these shared spaces and how these clues interact when they are adjacent to each other. So we hope this walkthrough helped you, and thanks Grant for the puzzle, and thank you all for watching.